Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account and know the password. Once ready, open Start, type Task Scheduler and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the console elevated control. Make or pick a folder in the Task Scheduler library to keep your custom elevated tasks organized. By starting here, you avoid repeated prompts later and set the stage to create a task that will run apps with highest privileges. Continue when the Task Scheduler window is visible. Now create the task itself. Click Create Task, give it a clear name, and check Run with highest privileges. That flag is critical because it elevates the process. Next, add a trigger. Pick on demand if you want manual start, or at logon if it must auto-start. Then add an action. New right arrow, start a program and browse to the programs. EXE you want to run as administrator. Once done, save the task. You've defined an elevated, schedulable action that can be triggered safely. Finish by creating a shortcut to run your task. Right-click Desktop, right arrow, new right arrow shortcut in use. Task/run/tn, folder /task name. Double-click it to launch the program elevated without a UAC dialog. If UAC still appears, make sure the task is set to run with highest privileges and that the stored account credentials are valid. If it fails, check the Task Scheduler service is running, confirm the task path is correct, and verify the account has.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.